so many star kids have gotten more opportunities, even after so many failure. That हम जैसे को एक के बाद दूसरा फ्लॉप होता है, हम लोग डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं. I love Dhoni, I love Rohit, and I love Virat. He just reminded people that boss is back, the king is back, and that's Honey.
So you're also a very spiritual person in life.
There are a lot of things for me. I mean, without Mahadev, I feel I won't be here. So I think Amy and I have great chemistry. So I would love for us to do another music. Shah Rukh Khan. Listen, I've cried the first time I saw him in Bombay. I wasn't even an actor and I cried. So Shah Rukh Khan, I have no hashtag. Attitude.
Honey Singh.
Honey Singh.
The banger of the year is here, and we have Isha in that. See, Isha का ऐसा है that whatever she touches becomes gold. Maniac it is. It has hit the charts. लोगों के जुबान पे आ गया है.
Right.
एक घंटे में it was YouTube trending #1.
Right.
मैं दिशा जसोरिया आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ फिल्मी ज्ञान पे.
Thank you so much, Disha. Thank you.
How is the feeling, Isha?
I'll be honest, feeling is exactly like the song is. जो नाम है Maniac, that's how I'm feeling. You know, I mean, मैं school, college, whenever Honey started, you know, हमें ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है age में, but whenever Honey started, हम लोग we've grown up, you know, that's what we were all saying. उनका music पे, you know, वो हमारी party life होती थी. And when I got this opportunity, I was like, okay, Maniac, I knew I'll do well because Honey का song है. But the love that everyone has given, you know, given us and तो हमारे गाने को प्यार मिला है, like it's totally Maniac. Crazy है, like अभी भी trend कर रहा है, हम लोग देख रहे थे and बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and you know people are making reels. It's going touch wood, it's going really well. Thank you.
It got released like for the very first time. Honey ने अपने concert
पे
release किया था. And the moment he started, ऐसा लगा ही नहीं that this is new. It's Honey's vibe, so much of relatability. लोग पागल हो गए.
That's Honey's aura. I'll be honest. That's the OG aura, यार. Like मतलब, you know, like it's Honey, you know, that it's like, you know, like how do I tell you? I think मेरा हमेशा से रहा है, जब भी हम generally friends में ऐसे excited होते हैं ना, and वैसे ही I'm from Delhi. तो हम लोग हिंदी और पंजाबी में बात करते हैं, हमारी एक ही लाइन कॉमन है, एक्साइटेड में था. एंड आई स्वेयर, एंड वो किसकी लाइन है? हनी सिंह की लाइन है. सो यू नो ही इज द ओजी व्हेन इट कम्स टू द पॉप म्यूजिक कल्चर इन इंडिया. ही गॉट इट. एंड उन्होंने पंजाबी, इंग्लिश क्या नहीं छोड़ा है ना, भोजपुरी. सो यू नो ही इज only Honey could have thought that. And जैसे मैंने बोला, like वो he is the true king. Yeah.
The comment sections YouTube पे, they are so loving your essence.
Oh, thank you.
The way you've performed.
Thank you.
I mean, a perfect fit. Please talk us through this one thing. What was the experience like shooting? एक थोड़ा सा भोजपुरी touch दे दिया है. Were you enjoying the vibe of that particular section?
You know, yeah. So I'll be honest with you. I fell in love with the language भोजपुरी. बहुत टाइम पहले मैं मॉरिशस गई थी, जब मेरा पहला ट्रिप था वो मॉरिशस का फैमिली ट्रिप था, एंड इट वाज क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग ट्रिप, यू नो, 10 days, बिकॉज आप पहली बार जा रहे हैं, फैमिली हॉलीडे, इट्स नॉट लाइक अ शूट. सो मैंने वहाँ पे इन लाइक नॉर्मल टैक्सीज एंड ऑल आई रियलाइज कि वहाँ पे लोग भोजपुरी बहुत बोलते हैं भाषा. एंड मैंने उनका एक बहुत पुराना सॉन्ग था, आई थिंक वो आई डोंट नो वो कहाँ से है और उसका ओरिजिन, बट आई नो भोजपुरी गाना है एक लोटेला करके. एंड मुझे वो बहुत कूल लगा था गाना, एंड आई वाज लाइक, अरे दिस इज माई जैम, दिस इज माई बीट. आई थिंक अभी भी मेरे फोन में है वो गाना सेव्ड. एंड तब से आई फेल इन लव. एंड जैसे मैंने बोला, दिस सॉन्ग व्हेन इट केम, इट वाज जस्ट लाइक द अमैलगेशन वाज रियली कूल. यू नो, कोई सोच नहीं सकता, यूजुअली भोजपुरी गाने आर कूल एंड नाउ भोजपुरी इज गेटिंग रियली अप, बट किसी ने सोचा नहीं होगा मेन स्ट्रीम में भोजपुरी आएगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाट हनी डिड, यू नो. वो मेन स्ट्रीम में लिया है सब.
But you know, I wish to know from you that what was that initial conversation like? It was like Honey ने call किया, ईशा ये है, ये गाना है, just
oh no, let me tell you.
What was
no, I have to be honest, guys. I am one of those people that I feel I have no shame when it comes to asking for work, because I feel like, you know, and I tell people the same, that listen, if I'm ever, because someone I met once थोड़े टाइम पहले उन्होंने बोला, ओ हम आपसे हमें कुछ चाहिए था, यू नो, काम के लिए वी वांट टू से, हमें पता नहीं था इफ वी शुड मैसेज यू. एंड आई वाज लाइक, लिसन, एक चीज मैंने जिंदगी में सीखी है, काम मांगने में शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए, बिकॉज आप काम मांग रहे हो, किसी से उधारी नहीं मांग रहे. सो यू नो, यू आर गिविंग योर, आप उनको मेहनत करके दे रहे हो उस काम की. एंड Actually, I was after Sunny Life and मैंने बोला मुझे आपके साथ गाना कर रहा है, सबके साथ कर रहा है, मुझे गाना कर रहा है. वो मुझे मिले थे थोड़े टाइम पहले in Delhi. And actually, my friend Nitin made it happen. Nitin Arora, he made it happen. मैं उनके पीछे पड़ी. Then I said, मुझे नितिन को बोलो. Nitin, he's like, अरे हनी पाजी को तो I'll tell. I said, no, I want हनी के साथ गाना. It's been my dream. तब से, जब से High Heel आई थी उनका song. And तब से अब तक. And it actually happened. And Honey actually called me 2 दिन पहले गाने का shoot. And he's like, अच्छा सुनो, जो हम गाना plan कर रहे थे, वो तो अगले महीने ये करना है क्या? I said, of course, कब है shoot? He's like 2 दिन में. So I said, okay, कहाँ है? They said, Dubai में. And I said, rehearsal? They're like, Mumbai. I said, no. Then we changed the plan. Madrid se I flew. No, first I was in Colombo, flew to Madrid, Madrid se Dubai. And listen, the whole team, whether it's Rajit, the choreographer, जिन्होंने मुझे, मेरे पास 2 दिन थे rehearsal, costume trials, गाना सुनना, हनी से meeting, creative, everything, तेजी के साथ, the director. I think what 48 hours mein Rajat has made me rehearse, I don't know, maybe 40 hours, I think. But it's the choreographer and Teji, he shot it so well. And Honey ka gana yaar, matlab the whole team. So this is something I really manifested and went ahead and I was like, ये तो मतलब मैं लेके रहूंगी and बाकी ऊपर वाले के हाथ में जो उन्होंने, आप लोगों ने सबने, the audience has made it a hit.
And now they are saying that we want one more.
Honey, our collaboration has worked. अभी मैंने बोला मैं बहुत बेशर्म हूँ when it comes to asking for work, so I'm saying again, Honey, our collaboration worked. One more song.
When it comes to movie, do you hesitate asking for work? This was like more of a friendship you guys had shared.
Yeah.
But then the industry is big.
Right.
I personally wish to see more of Isha Gupta.
Oh, I love you. Thank you. No, so the thing is, it's not that I don't have. It's nothing to do with that. Asking for work when it comes to films, because I'll be honest, I write to people that, listen, I'm more than happy because now I'm working, bahar. So I'm like, okay, I'm okay because we are so used to doing screen tests.
Yes.
They do for everyone, the screen tests, almost everyone. So I was like, listen, I'll do screen tests and all, but I think there's more hesitation in the industry, but which is okay because, they also think मैं बाहर रहती हूँ and पता नहीं क्या होगा. But with, like I said, also, Honey is just, he's a really nice person. For me, it's no hesitation. Matlab, for me, it's worst come, he'll say, abhi gaana nahi hai mere paas, le le. And he'll say no. But that's the worst, that's nothing on my ego ki mujhe lagega, arre, Honey ne mujhe mana kar diya, ya kisi aur ne. So it's just like, yeah, I would love to do more projects. And I keep telling people, listen, I would love to do more projects, but it has to be something that I'm also happy with. Because now my full focus is on my business. And not full focus, of course, I'm here in India. Yeah. But, I'm the Banya Dimag was established kar raha hai apne aap ko business mein, so that I'm doing.
Banya. I'm also Banya.
So you know what it means?
I know. I get you.
पापा ने बोला बेटा आप पैसे कमा लिया business क्या करना है ऐसा अच्छा पापा ये करना है. He's like चलो अब करो शुरू.
But Isha, Honey is an inspiration for many. मतलब अगर मैं कहूँ तो बाप है वो. Hip hop
the OG for sure.
The OG for sure.
Yeah.
So much to learn from his life. So much ups and downs. He disappeared from the industry. He's back. The greatest comeback is
the greatest comeback.
Tell me one thing. What is that one thing which you wish to, take from Honey's life?
Resilience. I'm in awe of this person. And Honey के हमने interviews, हमने सबने देखा है तो हम सबको पता है कि, and guess what? खासकर and again, ये कोई लड़ाई नहीं है outsider insider की. The only thing is जब आप outsider होते हैं ना तो जब आप गिरते हैं तो कोई संभालने वाला नहीं होता. वो इसलिए नहीं होता, आपकी family होती है. I'm not saying it. Don't get me wrong. Oh my God. I don't think मैं यहाँ पे कुछ भी होती है and I truly believe Guruji and Mahadev and my parents, उनके अलावा कोई नहीं है जो मुझे handle कर पाएगा, I feel. Like who could have handled me in my lowest. But for Honey is the same, his family. But the only difference is, आपको पता होता है जब आप इंडस्ट्री के होते हैं कि डाउनफॉल होता है तो डोंट टेक इट एज अ फेलियर. आज फेल हो कल पास हो जाओगे यार. दैट्स द वर्स्ट दैट विल हैपन. इट्स नॉट डू और डाई. बट आपके साथ इतना स्ट्रगल्स होता है व्हिच समवन लाइक हनी आल्सो वेंट थ्रू. वी ऑल हैव आवर ओन स्ट्रगल्स इन लाइफ. एंड लुक एट हिम मैन, लाइक मतलब हनी सेइंग आई डोंट इवन वांट टू से इट अ कमबैक बिकॉज़ फॉरगेट कमबैक. आई थिंक he never left. He just reminded people that boss is back, the king is back, and that's Honey.
But you said that about the outsider.
Right.
Being an outsider outsider, do you feel कि थोड़ा सा opportunity, the people who are there in the industry?
I don't want to say this anymore because I think it's a very old. Now it's been, listen, 2012 I entered the industry. Now I think the people who are in the industry, like the young generation, I won't call them kids because kids are only 15, 16, but they're young generation. They're doing really well. And, things that I'm doing, I would only want, my family to take over my business. So I don't think it's an insider-outsider thing anymore. But like I said, for me, I always felt that thing only because it's like जब मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, अगर मुझसे कुछ गलती हो गई तो I can ask the family ना कि अरे मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, आप ये मुझे suggest करो, because if there are other doctors in the family or other lawyers, it's the same way, when there's a failure, like if you see, so many star kids have gotten more opportunities, even after so many failure. That's only because they could also handle themselves well. हम जैसे लोग तो, which has happened to me as well, which happened to Honey as well, हम जैसे को एक के बाद दूसरा flop होता है, हम लोग depression में चले जाते हैं. It takes us a while to come back. So that's the only difference, I think.
More power to all of us, not just...
of course, everyone who's...
who's just chasing.
Everyone in Mumbai, I think, hats off to all of you, because Mumbai is the only city I feel in India, which is so amazing. हर कोई हर जगह से आया है यहाँ पे, we are all here ruling.
Isha, you're also a very spiritual person in life. I've seen your videos. I've seen how motivated you. मैं बैठ रही हूँ, मुझे इतनी positive vibes आ रही है.
It's so sweet, my love. Thank you.
There's so much to learn from you.
Thank you, darling.
How are you spiritually so inclined? You went to Mahakumbh as well.
Yeah.
What was that experience of just being there?
So, मतलब I personally feel जो हमने decide भी किया in my life, like there are a lot of things for me. I mean, without Mahadev, I feel I won't be here. So I think my spiritual journey started very early. But I think it's a family also, the way we see things in the family. But it's been amazing. I mean, I'll be honest, it's like the atheists call it a monopoly effect, and we will call it prayers, and someone will call it manifestation. So it's just that, हमें कुछ ना कुछ we all have to believe in, and that's what life is.
But also about Maniac, मुझे अभी एक चीज़ याद आई. Yesterday was India versus Pakistan. The moment विराट ने century score की, the moment India जीत गई, trust me, post पे Maniac लगा रहे थे लोग.
Really? I didn't know that. Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
So crazy.
I didn't know that. Listen, but I think if you have to say, I think it'll be the correct name for me. If you ask me, I mean, Virat and Rohit are two maniac of our, cricket team. And Virat, listen, I think you've made me so happy because I got tears the moment I see Virat and all. My generation, we've grown, we've grown together. Yeah. So in a way, this was the best news you've told me, that they were playing Maniac. And I think how Honey is in the music industry, I think Virat deserved that Maniac song, and we deserved Virat's century to be on that song.
But how happy were you kal ke match ke baad?
Listen, you told me and you see my smile. I was with my dad. Yeah. We were watching the match in Bombay. He's here, so it was pretty cool. Listen, I have no complaints. I was really happy. हम लोग ज़्यादा ही देखते हैं कुछ games together. My dad and I, वो एक होता है ना bonding. So my father and I bonding is that sports and cricket especially. Yeah. So I was as happy as any Indian.
Who do you admire the most from the cricketing current lot? I admire Virat.
I love Dhoni, I love Rohit, and I love Virat.
Yay! So हम segment की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. We have 3 segments. What the comments हैं? जनता के कुछ सवाल है. जवाब दे दीजिएगा.
Done.
Are you ready?
Ready.
The first comment is Honey Singh का comeback हो गया है. Now we want Isha to come to Bollywood again and do good movies.
Yeah. Listen, come back. I don't know, but hopefully very soon.
The next one is Isha Gupta is the most underrated actor. Do you consider yourself as underrated?
I don't know. I don't know what underrated means, but I would like to say to all the directors who've told me, there are a few directors actually, there are 3 of them, who've told me that, I look very non-Indian, which I don't think so, because my mother is from UP, my father is from UP and MP. My father served in the Indian Air Force. So, देखिए मेरी हिंदी बहुत शुद्ध है. जस्ट बिकॉज मैं अंग्रेजी में वार्तालाप करती हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मुझसे हिंदी का उच्चारण नहीं हो सकता है. तो अगर आप चाहें, अब आपको मैंने अपनी हिंदी सुना दी है. That's all I like to say.
अभी यहाँ से जो एंडिंग है वो हम हिंदी में ही करने वाले. You are so good.
Thank
so
you.
good with the diction. I'm so impressed.
Yeah, my whole family, because it's UP. I'm from Amroha, Lucknow, Banaras. लोग भूल जाते हैं, but it's okay.
दुख होता है कभी-कभी लोग जब इस वजह से आपको
नहीं, it's a compliment. People are trying to look hot. I look hot.
I like it. The last comment is, please do another song with Imran Hashmi. हम सबकी किस्मत खुल
T
जाए.
series. This is for Bhushan ji. This is our whole team of T series. Listen, I met the other day the whole team of T series, and I was telling them, they were like, "Oh, we love this." I said, "Guys, I have to tell you," and I've had like from Preetam that everyone has given great music to me. Jeet, Ganguly, everyone, you know, beautiful music. But मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ, and it has happened at weddings. You know, weddings I'm entering, not where I'm performing, but where I'm just doing entering, and it's a love song, but a little sad.
Yeah.
But people still play मैं रहूँ ना रहूँ, and I'm just like, why? And they love it so much. एक मैं शादी में गई, बहुत बड़ी एक शादी थी दिल्ली में. The groom comes and he's like, पता है हम दोनों का उस time पे we were dating. And उस time पे they had an affair not affair, they broke up in between.
Yeah.
Before he got married. This is, I'm saying, last year. And he's like, this was the only song जो मैं सुन रहा था. So thank you to everyone. So I think Amy and I have great chemistry. So I would love for us to do another music video very soon.
Hopefully soon.
Very soon.
The next segment is hashtag show. Whatever names I'll take of the actors, whatever comes to your mind first,
हाँ.
you'll have to give the hashtag.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Right.
The hashtag show. Hashtag for Honey Paji.
The OG.
Maniac.
Isha Gupta.
Imran Hashmi.
Superstar.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor, the greatest actor.
Ranveer Singh.
High energy.
Bobby Deol.
Oh, listen, Lord Bobby.
Deepika.
Beautiful.
Alia.
Greatest actress.
Shraddha.
Cute.
Lastly, Shah Rukh Khan.
One hashtag is not enough. Don't ask me about Shah Rukh Khan. Listen, I've cried the first time I saw him in Bombay. I wasn't even an actor and I cried. So Shah Rukh Khan, I have no hashtag except King of Hearts, King of my life, King of every girl of my generation's life.
I can completely relate to. I met him a year back. I hugged him and that was like...
No, this is not even...
What else do I want?
I was new in Bombay. I wasn't even an actor and I saw him in some, like I was still auditioning. I saw him in some mall. I forgot he had come for an event and I almost tripped and I started crying. I remember kidding my mom, Mummy, I saw Shah Rukh Khan and I was like, oh my God, DDLJ ka Shah Rukh Khan. So.
Wow, this is so special, so special. The last segment, which is the Whisper Challenge.
The Whisper Challenge, okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
The Whisper Challenge with Isha Gupta.
Maniac.
How are you so good?
Screaming? Am I screaming?
No.
What's this horrible music you're playing though? Tera didar hua.
How are you guessing this?
The worst music you're playing. I love you.
How is she so good?
Yeah.
How are you so good?
तू झूठी मैं मक्कार.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. You're cheating.
Done.
Are you cheating?
No. What?
Are you cheating?
Are you? Say again. Are you? Shh. Are you serious? Arushi, are you chilling? Shirdi. Can I what?
Cheating. The next is
मैं झूठा मेरा जूता जापानी वायु वायु why you well you
value.
यही था value. No, this you're lying now. You're not using your mouth. I don't know. Hesitant. Hasti. Acting. No.
You have to get this.
High maintenance.
You are.
Attitude. Stop.
No.
Listen.
You have to get this.
The music stopped. Okay, guys, I have to say this was punishment. This wasn't a game. No. Can you play for your audience the music that you played? I've never heard rock music in my life, and I swear I used to think.
Yeah.
जब आप shows वगैरह देखते हो, you know, English shows that people, what kind of people listen to rock music? I'm not judging you guys, but she is the kind of people who listen to.
No,
Can
I
you?
don't.
Yeah,
I'm
you know the
changing.
music
I'm
जो
playing your
लगाया.
song. I'm playing your song.
Okay, we are still going at it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I don't know if this works for you. Oh, ये तो आयुष्मान.
हाँ, अभी तो ad. हाँ, कर रही है.
Ad आ रही है. She like so done with the music.
हिंदी. अच्छा, चलो. हाँ. हाथी स्थल. No, go next.
Honey Singh.
Attitude.
Honey Singh.
Honey Singh. Okay, next.
Attitude.
Yeah.
What all did you say? This is the last.
Something will be. Hindi. Sindhi.
जिंदगी झंडवा फिर भी घमंडवा. जिंदगी.
I give up. I give up. I give up.
भोजपुरी.
I give up.
जिंदगी झंडवा फिर भी घमंडवा.
I give up. I give up. I give up. Give up. I give up. I give up. It was thank you for playing. आपने finally एक अच्छा गाना लगाया. तेरा दीदार हुआ. नहीं जो आपने उससे पहले तो जो मेरे साथ सितम किया है.
माफ करिएगा. वो पिछले चैलेंज में वो नॉइज कैंसलेशन के लिए करना पड़ता है. बट फिर मैंने उसका भरपाई कर दी.
आपने किया. आपने बहुत अच्छा
गाना लगाया. बट ईशा, योर एनर्जी इज so good. I personally wish to see more of you. More and more of you.
Thank you.
But interview end करने से पहले मैं हमेशा पूछती हूँ कि one life advice which you wish to give it to the people out there who are chasing their dreams.
Oof. Oh, wow. Listen, one line won't, but I'll just tell you, don't take anything seriously. Don't take what people are doing to you badly seriously, because sometimes कोई अपने किसी के साथ कुछ हो रखा होता है उस टाइम पे, वो अपने किसी जोन में हो सकते हैं आपके साथ रूड हो जाए या कुछ बोल दें, उनका बर्ताव आपकी तरफ ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको लगे अरे क्या हुआ. सो डोंट टेक इट वेरी सीरियसली. अपने दिल पे हम लोग लेके हम ना बहुत पर्सनली ले लेते हैं लोग. तो आई पर्सनली बिलीव दैट द मोर आप अपने आप को हल्के में लेंगे ना, कि आप ये सोचेंगे कोई भी कुछ करेगा कि कोई बात नहीं उसके साथ कुछ हो रहा होगा, you'll be really happy in life, because that's my motto. Wow. The moment something bad happens, people overthink, and I'm like, छोड़ो. मतलब, of course, I've learned this. Yeah. तो अगर आप वो करेंगे and just take everyone's suggestion but not anyone's opinion, you'll be sorted in life, not just this field, in any field, I think.
Yeah, and the last message for Maniac.
Last message for Maniac. No, last message for all your maniacs out there who are loving the song. Thank you so much. It's listen, I have to give it to the OG, Honey. So it's all thanks to you, Yo-Yo. I love you so much for this beautiful song, and thank you all the audience for loving the song and giving Maniac so much love. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Isha. It was pleasure having you.
Love. Thank you.
And I hope I'm going to, see more of you, interview more.
For sure.
For a big, good movie.
Yeah. Thank you, my love. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.